Well, here's a tip for you. It's getting kind of cold out there, but the sun's still up and everything. And I'm going to wait for stuff to dry where I can put my caulking back down. But I'm going to leave my caulk gun inside because it's warmer inside than outside. If you leave your caulking outside, it can harden up a little bit and be harder to work with and press out of your gun and stuff. So whenever you can, leave your caulking inside in your garage, in a storage room, in a closet inside your house or whatever. You got really super cool conditions, and if your caulking is out in a really cold garage or outside and you leave it out here overnight and you think, oh, I'm going to use it tomorrow to caulk and stuff, and it gets down below freezing or something, have fun using your caulk gun then. Okay, so there's something for you to think about before you caulk, especially if it's cold outside.